Miss Stushy and your girl Stushy back with another video. If you're new, hey boo, my name is Stushy. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm happy to have you guys back. Check out a brand new video. Let me take these glasses off because y'all need to see what's going on. I'm wearing glasses because I'm going to work, so I didn't really feel like putting in my contacts. So it is officially Stush-Mas Day 18 and I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. Today's theme is mistletoe, so that's what I did today, or that's what I attempted to do. So let me know how you guys think I did. Oh, I am going to be including right now this clip of last night. I did go out for a friend's birthday and I started to record, but I didn't want the footage to go to waste, so enjoy this. What's good, Stushy? And it's your girl Stushy back with another video. I'm gonna try not to get copyrighted. I am at Julian Club in New York City for a friend of mine's birthday. Don't mind my collar, there is makeup on it. Just enjoy the night with me. Quick old TV. When you got this flyers, please. Thank you. I got blue. Say that for you. I told you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
And now that we got that out of the way, be sure to stick around for the entire video. To click that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell to be alerted every single time your girl uploads a new video, and be sure to give the video a big thumbs up because your girl's in the spirit. Hey gang, so I hope everyone has decided to go ahead and participate in the giveaway. Definitely check out Stush-Mas Day 17 if you have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm going in with this red paint pot from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to start to draw the berries for the mistletoe plant. Now I'm going to be going in with black liquid liner, and I'm going to start to draw or start to carve out what would be the stems or the leaves for the actual plant. So you see me outlining the berries with that black liner, just trying to make the berries look a little bit more three-dimensional and stand out on my cheeks. So I recently picked up this green ColourPop liner, and I'm going to be using that to draw the leaves or draw the remaining parts of the plant for the mistletoe. It's kind of hard to explain this, but you guys know what I'm saying. Just watch the process, trust this process. Now I felt like a leaf was missing, so I went ahead and drew another leaf on my face. And now I'm going in with some red eyeshadow, and I'm going to be adding that on top of the red paint pot that I put down earlier. I'll be doing the exact same thing with the leaves using green shadow, trying to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. So when I picked up the green liner, I also picked up the white one from ColourPop. I picked them up at Ulta, and I'm using the white liner just again to just make everything look a little bit more three-dimensional. Going back in with that black liner to outline everything. Now I'm going in with some glitter that I got from Sephora, and I'll be using that. Just trying to make it look sparkly, just adding the final touches to everything. So get ready for the slow-mos. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. It was nice, short, sweet, and simple. I will leave everything that I used down in the description box. I am wearing Confidence on the eyes. I decided to throw that on just to add some more glam to the look. And honestly, these are the only lashes that I can wear with my glasses, so I had no choice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed and join the gang. Turn on your post notifications and give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this mistletoe look, this mistletoe vibe out look, this look that I came up with for work. So yeah, I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.